Since Nvidia launched its RTX 50 series GPUs, it has also announced a bunch of software features and they have arrived. My name is Abdullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about how you can enable DLSS 4 on your system. Now the thing with DLSS is that you first need a RTX 50 series GPU in order to be able to run it, and that you need the latest drivers from Nvidia. So I'm just going to go ahead and fire up my Nvidia app. And the first thing that we're going to do is head over to the drivers section and make sure that we have the latest game ready driver. So whatever is the latest driver in your area, you might want to get that. You can also use this button to check for updates just to see if there are any updates available. Once you have made sure that you have the latest drivers installed, now it's a matter of enabling DLSS in games. Now do keep in mind that DLSS will only work in games that have sort of supported. So head over to your graphics section, go to program settings, and just quickly refresh this list just in case. Alright, so now we're going to select a game that should work with DLSS. So I think Delta Force should do the trick. Select Delta Force and now scroll down in driver settings, and this is here you will see your DLSS overrides. So you can have under frame generation is where you should see the option to enable DLSS. So as you can see, it's not supported in Delta Force. It's also not supported in FC25. Definitely not going to be supported in Counter-Strike. Witcher 3 Wild Hunt does not support frame generations, but you can use the model presets to get it to work with in-app settings. So you can either change these settings from right this part where you get to see your DLSS override frame generation enable, or you can go back into your game settings, find frame generation options there and enable them from there to make sure that they are set to DLSS 4. Of course, since DLSS 4 is extremely new, this may or may not work in all games, but with new games coming out all the time and old games getting updated to support new versions of DLSS, you should be able to see these settings in these places very soon. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such videos can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.